Thank you. For the past several days now, Fort Wayne police have been working to solve several high-profile crimes, including shootings in which 2 boys were hurt. Police are now saying doorbell cameras may help them crack the cases. ABC 21's Louis Tran reports.
First Sunday, then Monday, and again on Tuesday. 3 different shootings.
It's scary.
Leaving 2 boys hurt and 1 man dead.
It's scary.
We want a safer city.
It pains me to see crimes go unsolved.
And that's what police are trying to do, to solve crimes to keep families safe. But they need your help. If you have a door camera like this, detectives are asking people to share any footage that may help their cases.
Without this footage, these people could just keep doing what they're doing, and more people could get hurt.
I wanted to see firsthand how previous footage has helped first responders. So I met with Michael.
Michael? Pretty awesome. Just knowing that now we have a coverage of the whole front yard.
Michael owns a Nest camera. He says last summer, a man broke into his wife's car.
Then you could see where they came from, so then the cops could...
Take a look at this video. Michael's Nest camera captured the break-in. When police came by, Michael showed officers what happened.
We have it for our own safety and hopefully the safety of others. And they're not asking for your password, they're just asking for a clip.
For Elizabeth Lepic,
It was a really cool thing.
she agrees. Lepic recently bought a Ring doorbell camera and says it's important to help our officers keep the fort safe.
Hopefully you'll never have to use any of that footage, but if you do, then it's invaluable not only to yourself, but also our first responders.
They don't have superpowers. I mean, they're human. They can't see things, and our cameras can.
Louis Tran, ABC 21.
A Fort Wayne